Hey everybody, it's Chris with the Rockabilly Customs, and we're gonna be working on the little Maverick a little bit. But you can see she's dusty as a mother effer. So, if you are here and you're not subscribed to the channel, what the hell are y'all doing? In today's world, everybody counts, and yeah, I am just over here trying to make it. Life is bitching right now. It sucks. Financially because of the world we live in now. So for you that is not subscribed, it's absolutely free to subscribe and hit those bells and only just watch maybe 3 minutes of this video, of my videos. Absolutely free. No one is pressuring you or nothing, and you're just helping somebody out. So if you're not subscribed, help out. But we got the Maverick in the background, and yeah, she's dusty. Did do a couple things to it. So the wheel does scrape when you're turning it real tight, barely a little bit. So right now I got a 1.25 inch spacer on it. I'm going to bump it up to 1.5, going to come out another quarter, and then I'm going to crush the inside lip of the frame. There's a little flange on there because you got your frame, you got a little flange about this big, that wide. I'm going to cut it and just crush it in, hit it with a hammer, and see if maybe that will allow enough spacing to let the wheel turn. Cause I do like these wheels on this car. Like, look at it. It makes it look nice. So, we'll figure something out about that. But I'm not worried about that today. What I have done, I've took my seats out, took the speakers in the front out. I vacuumed it all out. And we are about to cover this whole thing up with sound deadening. Now, if you look up underneath the dash, you see some of the peel and stick sound deadening I put up there. Don't know if you can see it. Hey, you see it over there. We're going to finish the rest of it with a liquid sound deadening. So I got it up on the headliner, or up inside the headliner, and now a little dust in there. Gotta clean that up. I gotta fix my headliner too. It's almost fully strained. But yeah, so we're gonna do the cab itself, and if I have enough, I'll do the back there. But the sound deadening, bring you over here. I've had this thing for at least a year because I was wanting to get it done at a certain time, but yeah, I decided to do it now. HNR, Heat and Noise Reducer. It is a ceramic base insulation coating. I don't know if this is actually made for cars, but I'm using it. I've mixed it up because it has separate, but I got it mixed up perfectly now, so it's ready to go. I'm just going to use a paintbrush on it, trying to get an applicator gun and all that stuff. Screw that. I'm just going to do the old-fashioned way, paintbrush it on. And it's not going to be black, so I'm going to come back and paint it black. But if you want to see the sound deadening, and you want to see this whole floor coated, y'all are just going to have to come back and see how this looks after it's all done. I am going to do it in, I don't know, I'll probably just disconnect the wires back there, roll them up, and do it because I've got speaker wires hanging down there. So, yeah. Also got a lot left to do in this car. A lot of wiring. Good thing is, we're going to get the, and actually, I don't know if I want to put original carpet in this thing. It's almost $200 for original carpet. Don't know if I care for original carpet. I might just try to go get some kind of carpet and just put it in there and call it good. I don't know. Still thinking. Okay. Well, again, if you want to see this car done, you know what to do.